strongly discourages all non-essential interstate travel at this time. Travelers and residents returning from any U.S. state or
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my video. I hope y'all are having an amazing day as usual. So as you guys can see, it is 6:57 in the morning, and yeah, so I'm up a little early, but this is the time I wake up every day. I wake up at 6 o'clock, and then usually I'm so tired that I just wind up falling back asleep for like 15 minutes, and god damn, my hair looks bad. And then I'll usually hop into the shower, get dressed, and get my hair done, and then I usually come down here, and that takes a while, believe it or not, for me, even though I take short showers. Anyways, you guys, so today is the day before the nor'easter is coming. It's Wednesday morning, so make sure to like, subscribe, and God bless to all you guys. And we're going to take a little walk this morning and just show you guys what everything is going to look like before the nor'easter hits, and I'll show you guys. It is a beautiful sunrise. That is a pretty sunrise here in Bloomfield, New Jersey. That is a bright sun, isn't it? Oh my god, it's kind of hurting my eyes a little bit, but it's so pretty. All right, you guys, so right before the storm hits, I'm going to show you guys the Garden State Parkway real quick. Right before the storm hits, right there is the Brookdale northbound service area, where you have the Sunoco gas station and the A+ convenience store. So this is the Garden State Parkway. I'm sure most of my subscribers have been down the parkway more than once. It's a very big highway. It's 175 miles long and goes all the way from Montvale near New York State all the way down to Cape May. We're about 25 minutes from the New York border, and we're about 2.5 hours from Cape May, but that's really far south. In fact, Cape May goes farther south than you think it does. So here's the parkway. As you can see, I'm pretty far away from the highway, just because I don't want to get hit by any cars. Trust me, making YouTube videos is fun, but it's not how I want to end my life, believe me. So right here we have the 153 exit to Route 3, and if you go westbound, you'll wind up in Wayne. If you go eastbound, you'll wind up at MetLife Stadium, which is where the Giants play. So let's just observe the Garden State Parkway for a little bit. So the divider between the two sides of the highway is grass with a little rail in between. I guess they do that so people don't drive onto the other side of the highway. Smart. But here's the cell tower. Can you guys see the cell tower? The cell tower is right there, but the sun's kind of in the way. Yeah, well, that's a cell tower, but like I said, the sun is in the way, so you guys won't be able to see it. But anyways, right now, I'm gonna just tell you guys some fun facts about the snow and things that you might not know. So, if you think that Jersey winters are brutal, which they are, they're very bad, but New Jersey ranks 23rd in the country for snowfall. So there's 22 other states that have more worse winters. So you can imagine how bad the winters are in this country. Of course, in Florida, Arizona, winter is non-existent. There's no such thing down there as winter. The coldest it gets in Florida is like 65, which is great. Because 65 is the temperature in New Jersey. 65 is the temperature as Halloween in New Jersey. So that just gives you a big perspective on how warm Florida is. So one more fun fact is that Vermont gets the most snow in the country. Alaska, believe it or not, only ranks 6th in the country, and the area around Anchorage gets the most snow. I've searched this up on YouTube videos and stuff like that, so that's how I know. And believe it or not, Michigan gets more snow than the North Pole. Can you believe that? Michigan, keep that in mind. Southern Michigan is pretty brutal near Detroit, but once you get up to the UP, it gets even colder up there. The UP is the Upper Peninsula for all the people that don't know. All right, I'm gonna head back home because my hands are brick right now. All right, you guys, so we are currently walking over the Garden State Parkway, and we're on a bridge right now, and this bridge is West Passaic Avenue in Bloomfield, New Jersey. So as you guys can see, there's some plowing trucks everywhere. Let me just show you guys what the highway looks like. So as you guys can see, the southbound portion of the highway is kind of busy because of the trucks in the way, but the northbound part of the highway isn't as busy. But make sure to always stop for road crew, okay? It's the right thing to do, okay? We're gonna cross the road. Hopefully, we're gonna be like the chicken to get to the other side. Okay, that was really corny. All right, we have crossed the highway. And yeah, so we're still on the bridge right now. And now, let's get a view on the other side of the highway, you guys. Very pretty, actually. It's a ghost town around here. Alright guys, it's 6:58, and right now I'm just cooking my breakfast right now, as you guys can see. And then after I cook my breakfast, I'm gonna head outside and start shoveling some snow so I can make some paper, if you know what I mean. Alright, so guys, it has been a long day to say the very least. I've been doing a lot. Like, I've really tried to make this day productive. I've got rid of some snow, shoveled some snow. I also did some cleaning. So yeah, everything's running smoothly. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and God bless to all you guys.